morning and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Let Pot. I received from them a request to do a review on their automatic watering system. So here we go. Out of the box, this is what we have. Let's sit that over there for now. So out of the box, we have a flyer basically about their company. Here are the directions for the system. Here, filter. More filters. T-post. Water pipe bracket. Clamps. Electrical cord. The actual pump itself. And tubing. Okay. It says that you can do up to well, I want to do up to at least 6 connections. So let's see how we're going to do that. Okay, on the back, we have the plug for the cord. You have a reset button. You have a water outlet, and then you have a water inlet. And you also have a 1-key watering for 3 minutes, or you can press the button to pause watering here. Okay, it says the first thing to do is to secure it in a secure location. So let's see where I'm going to put this. I want to put it inside my grow tent. So let's see how I can do that. Okay, we're back. We have successfully connected everything. And here's my water supply. The filter is inside. That's the end hose that you're looking at. And the backflow valves coming out and flowing out to the 6 pots. They have their sprinklers on them as well. The system can be controlled via on the internet or Wi-Fi. So I'm going to read the directions and see if I can connect it on my phone. Okay, hopefully you can see this, but I have connected the system to my Wi-Fi, and it's set to water for 3 minutes every 3 days. If you look, you'll see that it's flashing green. When it's flashing green, that means everything is well, the system's working as it should. If it is flashing red, that means that the system is out of water and I will have to refill my container. So I think this is going to help me a lot so that I can automatically water these plants in the containers and also the um, smart pots every 3 days automatically without having to come in and check. So if you're interested in the system, I'll put a link for the company in the description portion of the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm impressed with it. I'm happy with it. And I think it'll be something beneficial for me. I'm glad that the company reached out to me. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we're nothing. Until next time, take care.